Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel, and in this video I want to share a Telegram bot that is kind of a media sharing bot where user can subscribe or unsubscribe itself. When user has subscribed, anyone sharing media into that bot will receive the same media. We have facility to share audio, video, photo and document. So it's like you subscribe to the bot, anyone sharing media on the bot, you will receive that, or all the subscribers of that bot will receive the media. We also have facility for admins to ban and unban a particular user. So let's get started. So here I have a Node.js TypeScript bot. We have ts config, root directory source and out directory dist, and all the other standard things. We have package.json file. We have build command, tsc, start command and development command, and then type check, lint and lint fix command. Then we have env.example. I have original .env file. So you need your Telegram bot token, MongoDB URL. We will storing all the users information, the media shared, the number of media shared in MongoDB, and you can provide comma separated admin IDs. So if you come here under source, we have index.ts, which will start the database service and bot services. So if you look here under services, we have DB services. We have a database service class which connects, create user, toggle subscription, ban, unban, get all the subscriber, record media, get states of the media shared by each user. Okay, and here in the config we are reading all the information from .env file. We have two model, media model, what the media model looks like, who has shared it, which type of media, which file ID is there, and when it is shared, and user model, a Telegram ID, username, is subscribe or not, is admin or not, is banned or not, and the different amount of media shared. And finally we have our bot, which is built using Telegraph. So it starts the bot, it sets up the menu, start, subscribe, help. Start will automatically subscribe the user and subscribe. So I have used the single command subscribe. If you are subscribed, you will unsubscribe, or if you are unsubscribed, you will subscribe yourself. Then there is a states which get all the states of the user. Then ban will ban the user, particular user, but I have checked. If you are admin, you can only do that, otherwise you can't do that. Then unban, again it checks for the admin. Then help, and when someone shares media, okay, either photo, video, document or audio, we will get all the subscriber and send that media to the subscribers. And finally we'll start the bot. So in order to run this, you will need MongoDB URL, admin IDs. You can get this from Telegram get my ID bot, and then your Telegram bot token. Once you provide these things, you need to do pnpm install. Okay, this will install all the things, but as you can see, all the things are installed at this point in my machine. Then pnpm dev, this will start the server, do all the interesting thing. You can see connected to MongoDB as well, boot is running and menu has been set up. So if I come here, this is the boot, and let me refresh this. Yeah, you can see start, subscribe and help. Since I have already started this, otherwise I would have seen kind of a start button. So I'll hit start and it says welcome, you subscribe to start receiving media. Okay, and when I hit that, you are now subscribed to media updates. And if someone now shares a media here, hopefully I'll receive that as well. Let me share something. Yeah, this is okay. Let me share something. Okay, and you can see media has been shared with all the subscribers. So this is how it works. And if you see here, this is my MongoDB. I'll refresh it, and here, yeah, Telegram media share. So under media, you can see I have one media shared, which is kind of a document, because I have shared it through the Telegram application. And you can see who has shared it and when it was shared, and the file ID in case you want to get it somewhere sometimes back, and then the users. So you can see this is the user, this is the username, is subscribed, is admin, because my ID was set there in admin IDs. And if I come here, you can see one document is shared. So this is what it does. And you can create a Docker file to run it using Docker as well, and you can run it on AWS or GCP or Azure cloud, anywhere, and you can share this boot to all your subscribers or users, and they can share media with each other. So I hope this is kind of helpful to you. I have built this application and it is available on my GitHub. You can get the code and run your own media sharing boot with your friends or your subscribers or anyone you want. I hope this is helpful, and if it is so, please consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.